This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A controversy has erupted at the Mahakal temple in Ujjain after a young man entered the temple dressed in a style inspired by actor Allu Arjun from the movie Pushpa. He wore a sari blouse, anklets, bangle earrings and a lemon garland. A viral video showed temple staff and security personnel allowing him VIP access and even posing for photographs. Photography is officially banned inside the temple premises. Following the video, temple authorities took action and removed the supervisors from duty. The incident has sparked debate over VIP treatment and security arrangements at one of Madhya Pradesh's most visited religious sites. The Madhya Pradesh government has announced a salary increase for more than 1 lakh contract officers and employees across the state. The Finance Department issued an order stating that 4.46% annual increase in remuneration will be effective from April 1, 2026. Employee associations say the division could raise monthly earnings by around Rs 1,000 to 3,800 depending on the position. Association President Ramesh Rathore welcomed the decision and said the increase reflects the rise in the consumer price index. He added that the demand had been pending for a long time and thanked Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav for approving the benefit. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said India is emerging as a global pharmaceutical hub under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Speaking through video conferencing during the groundbreaking ceremony of a new manufacturing unit by Helion Group in Pithampur, he said India is now recognized worldwide as a trusted production center and supply chain partner. The Chief Minister symbolically launched the project by remotely performing the foundation ceremony. He emphasized that Madhya Pradesh is playing a major role in strengthening the country's pharmaceutical sector and attracting industrial investment, which will create jobs and boost economic growth. The political atmosphere in Madhya Pradesh has intensified ahead of the Rajya Sabha election. BJP candidate Mahesh Kewat filed his nomination for the third Rajya Sabha seat from the state. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav expressed confidence that the party would secure victory for all its candidates. Senior Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya claimed that Bina MLA Nirmala Sapre would continue to support the BJP. His statement has attracted attention because political observers are closely watching voting patterns and support from legislators during the Rajya Sabha election process. Authorities at Indore's MY Hospital have taken strict action after a viral video showed parents pushing their sick child on the stretcher between MY Hospital and the super specialty hospital in extreme heat. The video sparked public outrage and raised questions about patient assistance services. Following an internal inquiry, Dean Arvind Ghangoria terminated the services of the security in charge and the help desk in charge with immediate effect. Hospital officials said negligence was found in handling the situation. The administration has promised improvements to ensure patients and their families receive proper support and transportation within the hospital campus. Indore will host a major meeting of agriculture ministers from BRICS nation beginning Tuesday. India is currently chairing the BRICS grouping, making the event particularly significant. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan outlined the program during a press conference and said representatives from member countries will discuss agriculture innovation, food security and sustainable farming practices. The conference is expected to strengthen cooperation among BRICS nations and showcase India's agricultural achievement. Local authorities have made extensive preparation for the international gathering, which is expected to bring delegates and experts from several countries to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is witnessing mixed weather conditions before the arrival of monsoon. The weather department has issued alert for thunderstorms and rain in 20 districts, while several cities continue to experience intense heat. Manda recorded the highest temperature in the state at 42.5 degrees Celsius. Despite the possibility of rain and strong winds, many regions remain extremely hot during the day. Meteorologists say changing weather patterns are common during the pre-monsoon period. Residents have been advised to stay hydrated, avoid unnecessary exposure to the sun and remain alert during thunderstorms as strong winds and sudden rainfall may affect normal activities.